Good morning everyone. So sa mga nagtatanong na mga Kaiser members natin about sa schedule ng annual physical examination, I'll show you po kung paano po ito i-process. Kasi marami tayong mga members na gusto magpa-APE but then they do not know kung paano yung pag-process ng APE. So ang gagawin lang po ninyo, log in lang po kayo sa inyong OPMS, sa ating Kaiser OPMS, and then like you have to type in sa inyong browser, Kaiser, and Health Group Policy Manager, and then you have to click it. Yan, pindutin lang. Tas ida-direct kayo sa inyong OPMS. So this is your OPMS. Sa OPMS natin, dyan natin makikita yung ating pangalan and then yung policy plan. Ayan, tsaka yung ibang mga links, no? Like for example, if gusto mong i-download yung current bill mo, if gusto mong tingnan yung payment history, or kung kamusta naman yung mga hulog mo, ganun. Then yung starter guide, healthcare benefit contract, individual contract provisions, schedule of benefits, list of beneficiaries, and download benefit card. If ikaw naghahanap ka ng benefit card mo, na kunyari gusto mong you're asking kung magpapa-check up ka or magpapa-confine ka, then you're asking kung ano yung card na kailangang ipakita. So ito lang po yung benefit card, pwede po itong i-download tsaka i-print. Yan. So sa ating annual physical examination naman, no, punta lang po kayo dito sa right side under quick links. Ayan, sa quick links, meron tayo ditong FAQs or frequently asked questions, then file a claim, no? Sa claims naman, like for example, namatay si Kaiser Plan member. Ayan. So dito po natin i-file yung claim natin, tsaka syempre yun na yung requirements, send po yan through email. And then kung meron kang concern about sa inyong Kaiser, like payment, delayed siya, or lapse, ganon, or meron kang gustong i-amend. Yan, so pwede pong mag-submit ng ticket dito sa Kaiser Fresh Test. And then sa IMG naman, you can also submit a ticket direct sa IMG through Ticket IMG Fresh Desk. And then sa APE, dito ka pupunta sa link na ito, yung Schedule Annual Physical Examination. And for dental naman, dito naman po sa dental appointment. And profile, you want to check your profile dito, and if you wanted to change your password, ayan, dito naman po yan sa link na yan. So now, and another one is yung under sa resource center natin is gusto mo makita yung mga accredited hospitals sa yung area or sa location kung saan ka nakatira. So you have to click this, and then accredited clinics, accredited dentist, process amendment here. Yan, kung gusto mong ipa-amend ang iyong Kaiser plan, and if you wanted to reinstate it, so you can click all these links. So let's go to schedule annual physical examination. I-click nyo lang po ito. Yan. And then hintayin lang saglit. So makikita mo yung Kaiser International. Yun yung support. Yan. So dito sa ibaba, may nakikita kayong schedule your APE or annual physical examination. Click nyo lang po ito. Yan, pindutin. And then ito na po yung annual physical exam. To schedule your annual physical exam, please follow the steps below. And go to, yan, so, ayan, sa kaiserhealthgroup.com. And then search mo yung preferred clinic or hospital kung saan mo gustong APE, no? And then, i-click mo yung APE. Ayan. So, click natin ito. Right. Tapos, example, ako ay from Iloilo. So, ita-type in ko lang dito yung Iloilo. And then, gusto ko sa St. Paul's Hospital. Hanapin natin yung St. Paul's. Oops. Ayan. So ito na yung St. Paul's. Oops. Yan. So St. Paul's. So na-click mo na yung St. Paul's. Ito yung nalabas. St. Paul's Hospital Inc. So dito, sa may map, ano makikita mo dito yung St. Paul's Hospital Inc., General Luna Street, Iloilo City. And sa baba, meron siyang APE at saka direction. So pindutin nyo lang po yung APE dito po. So click and then wait for a while. Tapos dito nalabas yung request for annual physical examination, yung product. Kasi ano tayo, di ba? Long-term healthcare. So long-term healthcare po siya. And then click request APE. Pindutin lang po ito. At saka i-direct tayo sa login page. So make sure na alam mo na yung username mo at saka yung password mo. Yan. So sa akin kasi auto-save na siya. So pindutin ko na lang yung login. Yan. So after mag-login, ito na po yung makikita natin, schedule your annual physical examination. And so, greetings from Kaiser. Thank you for getting in touch with us. Kindly fill up the needed information below so we can schedule you. Yan. So, yung mga details natin, naka-auto, ano na po siya, naka-auto key in, ayan. So, pangalan, policy number, yung plan type, then age, tsaka syempre yung contact number and the other details like the email. So, of course, yung hospital name, andito na rin po siya. Tapos, nakalagay dito, date desired, kung kailan mo gustong magpa-APE. So, pindutin lang po itong calendar na, icon. Then, kunyari, gusto kong magpa-schedule, tomorrow. Yan. So, September 12, that's Thursday. So, pindutin lang po yung date. Tsaka pag napindot na po, but you have also to read sa dito sa right side nakalagay dito the APE should be clinic based only except for those who will avail at the province. And please note the following in availing APE. So ibig sabihin dito clinic based. So if you are in Manila, you can avail the APE sa Kaiser Medical Center. Yan. But kung nasa province ka, syempre sa ating mga designated or affiliated hospitals. Yan. So, to avail APE, dapat ang plan po natin ay inactive status, and then yung plan holder should have completed at least 1 year cycle or 12 months installment. So dapat nakahulog ka na po for at least 1 year. Ayan. So we make special considerations for those members in abroad. Ayan. So kung OFW, pwede silang magpa-APE kahit kalahating taon pa lang yung nahulog nila. Yan. So, once na-input mo na po yung lahat ng details, click lang po yung submit. Pindutin. So, nakalagay, nagpa-pop up siya, kaiserhealthgroup.net says AP appointment request has been submitted. Please wait for our email confirmation. Yan. So, i-click mo lang yung okay. Yan. So, ito na yung annual physical exam requests natin, Sabi dito, dito rin nakalagay mga details natin, like name, policy number, plan type, then yung desired date kung kailan natin gusto magpa-APE, tsaka yung location or location ng clinic. Yan. And dito nakalagay your APE request status. Our customer care representative will respond to your APE request within 48 hours. So, bantayan na po natin sa email natin, check na natin from time to time. You will receive an email notification before your preferred date of APE. Yan. So, current status is open. And yun. Alright, so nakalagay dito, you'll be able to download your confirmed APE in this page as soon as our agent confirms it with our partner clinic or hospitals. Yan. So, pag may natanggap na po kayo sa email ninyo na email confirmation from the customer service, so screenshot po ninyo yan or i-download tsaka i-upload po dito. Yan. Pakita ko lang yung example, yung sa email. Yan. So this is the email na galing mismo sa Kaiser International Health Group, no, APE appointment. So sinend nila sa email. So an email confirmation together with the letter of authority or LOA will be sent once request has been approved. Yan, so ito na po yan. Then, of course, yung details natin nakalagay and yung LOA. Yan. So, i-download mo lang po siya. Once na-download mo na po siya, saka ka bumalik doon sa sa page kanina kung saan natin dapat i-download yung files, no? And then, once na-download na po, saka natin isa-submit. Yan sa Kaiser. And then, pag na-submit na, so that's good to go. Sabi dito, no, present this LOA to your assigned clinic or hospital. So once na-download mo na yon, present mo na lang doon sa hospital, no, kung saan ka nagpa-schedule ng iyong APE. So ganyan lang po siya. So I hope sa mga nagtatanong na clear na po sa inyo, ano, kung paano po mag-claim ng APE or mag-avail ng APE natin sa Kaiser. And so that's all for today. And thank you very much po. If you have your questions, feel free po to chat sa ating group chat. Yan. Meron naman po tayo and pwede rin po kayo mag-PM sa akin po, diretso. Yan. So thank you very much. And God bless us all.